Well, as you can see, that was a private plane we've just seen that time anyway. But obviously this plane here we've just seen, which that one was the Piper PA-28-180, I think it was. Go fly radar. There he is, that was a Piper PA-28-161, that was. As you can see, that came out from Land's End Airport to not available. And that registration here, it's G-CEIZ, that is. But as you can see with this one here, that literally flew in here as it was flew here about 65,000 feet from here. Literally just flew in here about 605,000 feet from here apparently. If I go plane Friday, it should be on there. There he is, and that's just shown that it probably has been coming from Land's End Airport, I believe anyway. Maybe not, I think it's probably, yeah, it has just came out from St Mary's Airport anyway. So yeah, where was it with that one? That came out from St Mary's Airport, I believe. So yeah, with this one here, that came out from St Mary's Airport. But turns out it hasn't been to Land's End Airport, it's only been to St Mary's Airport in Harvard City. And while talking of that, which I believe that's probably, I think that might have took off from Perranporth Airfield, I believe. Which I think it has been over Perranporth Airfield for a few days anyway. Obviously it doesn't tell me the operator, but obviously it is a private owner anyway. And that was a private PA-28-161 Cherokee Warrior, I think it was. Which I presume is the Cherokee Warrior, I think. So yeah, that looks like it's probably going back to its base, I believe anyway. But don't know where it's come from anyway. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.